Hi beauty babes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Martha and this is Martha's Makeup, obviously. I am so glad to be back. I was never gone, but I'm so glad to be back with a new look for you today. We are going for an everyday glam. So it's gonna be glam, like, obviously, but something that you can also use every day. We are only gonna use 3 eyeshadows, I believe, so it's super simple, super easy. I hope you are gonna love it. Make sure before you do anything, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Yes, my wonderful animation right here. Click that bell, click that notification button, that like button as well. Just to support me on my journey. It would mean so much to me if you could support me. And yeah, let's just get straight to this look. Today is a beautiful day. I'm really excited, and make sure that you stay until the end because there's a special surprise for everyone at the end of this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Follow my Instagram as well, so it's Martha's__makeup for more looks and more inspiration if you are more experienced. And yeah, let's just get straight to this look, guys. So cue that intro. Okay, so first things first, obviously we need to prime. Not to prime is crime, obviously. Thank you, Nikki. The next step, my face is already primed with Hydrobase as usual, and the first thing we're doing is the eyebrows. So I've got my soap here, we are getting our spoolie, and we are just giving them a bit of shape, a bit of volume as usual, so they don't look as basic. I'm just gonna quickly do the eyebrows with my Maybelline Brow Temptation Inglot shaping pencil. I hope they are not gonna be too dark because I've been to a hairdresser. You can't see that now because my hair is wet, obviously. I'm fresh out of the shower, but at the end of this video, we're gonna see my amazing new hair. I absolutely love it, obviously. The best hairdresser in town, Gabriel, my love. And yeah, so I hope my eyebrows are not going to be too dark now. I'm just going to quickly do the brows and then come back to you guys. Okay, so the brows are on, obviously, and carved out with a concealer. So the next step is obviously priming the eyelids. I use the PLouise base because it's amazing. It's the best. I love it. The eyeshadows really pop on it and it just looks all really good. So we are not doing anything crazy today. It's just a simple glam look that's a bit more fancy than everyday mascara and I'm out of the house, but still really simple. So as I said, I think we're only gonna use 3 eyeshadows today, nothing crazy, but we are gonna look like goddesses, obviously. So I've got a palette that I use almost for like every day, for like all everyday looks, and it's either the James Charles palette, obviously the big one, hey, or it's the Juvia's Place, what's the name, Juvia's Place, the Nomad, that one. I absolutely love both of them. Like, obviously the James Charles palette is also good for all the, you know, fancy artistic looks, but this one, Juvia's Place, is just an amazing everyday palette. Like all the bronzes, the oranges, it just calling my name, honestly. And comment down below in the right now if you've got a palette that you use every day, like the palette that is your go-to whenever you don't know what to do, you just use it. Let me know right now because I need to know if it's just me or if it's everyone. Yeah, so what are we gonna do? Okay, so that is the eye look we are going for today. Very simple, very classy. Obviously, I don't have my lashes on yet. I will. It's gonna look a lot better with them. So yes, this eye is done. And I'm sorry, guys, I used 4 eyeshadows. but it's still really simple. So the first thing we're going to do is using the Nomad palette, just take this really nice nude color, almost a skin color, on a big fluffy brush, and we're just gonna brush it all over the lid, everywhere, above the lid, obviously, up in the to the eyebrow. Just blend it, just to have some like a base for all the other eyeshadows, just to deepen the crease a little bit, and so it all looks better blended together. And then the next thing we are going to do is take this orangey warm shade right here on a smaller blending brush, and we are going to start putting it first on the outer corner, and then we are going to blend it to the crease. Alright you guys, and now we are going to take just a brown bronzy shade from the James Charles palette. So I'm just taking the shade, oh, I'm just going to give you a name, that's going to be easy. T, spill the tea. I'm just taking the shade T on an even smaller blending brush. Tap it out. And then outer corner, obviously we start in the outer corner slightly. Don't use too much eyeshadow. That is never a good way to go. Just create that kind of smoky shape, and then you can bring it into the crease. Don't add any eyeshadow, not too much. You just want to darken the outer corner and darken the crease, so it all looks like, you know, smoked out and sexy. Okay, and the third and last step is this amazing shimmer right here. I'm just obsessed with this color. Like, it's just, it makes every single look pop. It just works with everything. I think it's absolutely stunning. Like, look at that. That is just beautiful. I just use my finger because most shimmers are easiest to use just with your finger. And then I'm just gonna use a brush with the rest of the brown eyeshadow on it, just to smoke out this harsh line here between the outer corner and the shimmer. And then I'm using the exact same brush with the exact same shade, dark brown, and doing the same thing on the lower lash line. So I'm just smoking it out, connecting it to the top, and then taking a little bit, the tiniest bit of that orangey shade, and smoking it out even more. Alright, and last but not least, we are just gonna add some liner. So I'm just taking the brush that is meant for the eyebrows, and I'm literally just the angled thin brush, and I'm just doing a line with my dark brown eyeshadow. So it's not black, it's not gonna be too visible, it's not gonna be too out there, but it's gonna make the entire look come together really nicely. Make it a bit thicker. I'm not doing a wing or anything, I'm just doing a liner, and then make it a bit thicker here on the outer corner, so then you can smoke it out with that brown eyeshadow that you've got there already. So as you can see, it's really not that visible, it's really not that, you know. And now smoke that outer corner even more. Yay! We are done with the eyes, guys. Amazing. Then I'm gonna add some lashes, and then we're gonna just go back to the foundation base, everything. So the lashes I'm using today are the lashes that I absolutely fell in love with. They are the Ardell Natural Lashes Black number 131, these ones. They are amazing. They just look so good. I'm sorry, I just dropped something. Anyway, they just look good, so good on the eyes. So natural, but still like deepen and make the entire look come together. I actually used them just by themselves the other day, and they literally looked amazing. I'm obsessed with them. And they didn't even look that good on the you know, in the box, so I wasn't even sure I'm gonna like them. And then I tried them on and they just look amazing on the eye. So hey, recommendation here. Obviously all the products are gonna be listed below. Yes, I'm just gonna pop those lashes on and be right back, you guys. Okay, you guys, so the eyes are officially done. I hope you like that. That was super simple, obviously. And now I'm just going in with the foundation, the Juvia's Place I Am Magic, the best full coverage foundation out there. Thank you very much. And just a disclaimer like that. So I'm just putting some on my beauty sponge and I'm just gonna go straight into, like, look at that, guys. Like, that is just like one spot, like one, I don't know how to call it, one dot of the foundation, and look how much it literally covers half of my face. Like, look at that. It could probably cover more, but I just like full coverage. Look at it. Like, look at that. Look at that. Like, how good does it look? That is insane. I actually ordered some more. I ordered another shade of that one, so hoping it's gonna be matching me even better, because this one is a tiny bit too yellow for me, I think. Not sure. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think it's too yellow for me? I think it's a bit too yellow, but yeah, we'll see. Okay, and now to the concealer, Instant Anti-Age Eraser. That is Maybelline. I'm absolutely obsessed with this concealer. I think it's amazing. Okay, and now on to the powder, because we need to set that face, obviously. So just the Paese Rice setting powder under my eyes, obviously, because that's where I crease the most. Then around my mouth, basically. And just a bit on the forehead and all over the place. We're gonna brush the excess off in a second. Right now, just let it settle, let it bake for a little bit. And what are we going to do now? Bronzer, I believe. So just some contour to add a bit of dimension to that very pale face right now. So I'm just taking, I don't even know, Highlight and Sculpt Contour Kit. I've had it forever, but I don't even know what brand that is. Sorry. So this is a very warm, glam, kind of bronzy, smoky look. So I'm gonna use a bit more of that bronzer just to, you know, make it look like a bronze goddess, basically. That's what we're going for today, a bronze goddess. Okay, and let's just add some highlight as well. Oh, and just contour the nose real quick. Sorry, forgot about that. So I'm just taking the easiest way to contour the nose. Bronzer all over the top of your nose, and then you just take light powder, and you just make it as thin or as thick as you want it to be. And you let it sit for a little bit, and then we're gonna brush the excess off in a second. I'm gonna add some highlight and maybe do my hair, or just dry my hair. And I'm gonna be right back with you guys with the finished look. Okay, so I did not dry my hair. I decided to just let it dry normally because my hair is obviously You might not know that, but I'm actually a brunette and my hair blonde is quite destroyed. I mean, so I'm taking good care of it, and I'm trying not to put any heat on it or anything, but that is basically the color that we came with. Yeah, I also added some little gemstones because I want to feel super fancy today. Why not? And yeah, that would be about the finished look, you guys. So let me know in the comments what you think. What are your thoughts? Do you ever do simple looks like that, but a bit more fancy, a bit more glam to go out of the house, to go out to work, university, whatever? Or do you only do those kind of looks when you actually go out? Let me know in the comments, and make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Click that like button, that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram for more looks, more inspiration, more artistic looks that I do there as well. It's Marvelous__makeup. And I decided to start doing a super special thing. So we are going to play a little game. Okay, so at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you a little bit of a puzzle. It's really simple. Whoever guesses it will get the shout out on the next video. I'm gonna keep doing this on every video, and if you guys like it, obviously I'm gonna give you some love. I want to show you some love because you are the reason I am here in the first place. So, and the riddle for today is, what do you think is one makeup product that I hardly ever use? Hardly ever, like literally almost never. Let me know in the comments what you think that product is, and you're gonna get a shout out in the next video. And for now, well, I wish you a lovely weekend, or maybe a lovely week. I don't know when this video is going up. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.